everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the quadruple time step. So we have learned the single and the double and the triple. So now it's time to learn the quadruple. This is the most advanced of these basic time steps. So if you have not yet watched my videos on the single, double, and triple time step, I would recommend going back and watching those first because the quadruple builds on all three of those, and those are important to know before you move on to the quadruple. So you can find the link to those videos in my description below. So let's get started. Let's review the single time step. So single time step, stomp, hop, step, flap, step. Good. And then the double, you change that step to a flap, stomp, hop, flap, flap, step. And then finally the triple, you change that flap to a shuffle. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, flap, step. Good. Nice job. So the quadruple, you're going to take out all flaps, and now you're going to change them to shuffles. So we already changed that first flap to a shuffle. We're now going to change the second flap to a shuffle as well. So you have stomp, hop, shuffle, step, starting on your right foot. Now instead of going flap step, you're going to go right into a shuffle step. Okay, so starting on your right foot again, you have stomp, hop, shuffle, step, shuffle, step. And then to finish it off, you're going to add this extra step on your right foot. And then you're ready for your left foot. So this is what trips most people up, I find, is that extra step right after that shuffle. But you have to add that step in order to be able to alternate which foot starts. So if you wanted to start right, and then go into left, you have to add that step. It's just a necessity, but a lot of people tend to miss it. So they tend to accidentally skip it, and then their time steps don't turn out right, and then they always wonder what happened. It's because you missed that one step. So again, it's stomp, hop, shuffle, step, step, stomp for the next one. Okay, so let's try that nice and slow. We have right foot starts. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, step, stomp. Left side. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Let me face you now. Starting right foot. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Let's try 4 in a row now. Nice and slow. Starting right foot. 4 in a row. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let me face you on that one now. Here we go. 4 in a row again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. All right. So let's try them a little bit faster now. Stomp, hop, shuffle, step, step, stomp. Here we go. 4 in a row. Right foot starts. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. nicely done. So as I've stated in previous videos, traditionally time steps start on 8. I tend to start them on 1, which is what we've been doing. If we wanted to start them on 8, let's give that a try now. So instead of starting 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, you're now going to start 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Okay, so here we go. Same tempo, starting on 1 and right foot. Here we go, 4 in a row. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Nicely done. Try that again, starting on 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Good, nicely done. Now I'm going to try facing you. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Great job. Let's try to make them faster now. Going back to our count of 1, starting on 1. 4 in a row, nice and quick. This is for the more advanced people. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Try it again. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done. Let me do one set facing you now. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Nicely done, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.